GFMAM is a non-profit organization founded in March 2009. All members of GFMAM are a non-profit organization controlled by the world membership, legally formed within its regions of operations, have significant membership representing a broad base from within the industries it represents, and sharing the same values and objectives.
During the past few years, we have developed and worked on improving the maintenance and asset management community in the whole world by creating a platform to exchange, leverage, and help each other with the knowledge, with the available practices that will help the maintenance and asset management community and the societies and the individuals as such.
There are 10 members regularly attending. We have other organizations joining us on a regular basis, so this list continues to grow. All of them focused on developing asset management for the global organization.
So we work together to identify projects that will be of interest to all members in each of the organizations. One organization might propose a project, and if everyone is interested, whoever is interested would participate in developing those ideas. We have about 4 projects so far that have come to results that we've published for the world. We also use the results within our own associations to develop.
It's a great opportunity to get to know other leaders from asset management related organizations.
Any association who has interests in learning and contributing to maintenance and asset management around the world can be a member, provided they are a not-for-profit.
The Global Forum on Maintenance and Asset Management brings huge benefits to the global economy. It actually makes a big difference to the societies that are members of the organisation, to allow us to bring products and services to both members and organisations in each of our regions of the world.
Is to bring people together, learn from each other and share experience for helping new people.